Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Steve here, and in this video, guys, I'm going to go over some pretty cool information. I guess you could say a popular question that I get every year, especially around this time, is what type of camera am I using for a lot of my videos that I make for marketing to generate leads and sales and all that good stuff online. And you know what? I mean, I use a lot of different types of equipment for a lot of different situations. But really the title of this video is the best camera to start making videos with in 2019. So we're going to talk about the best camera that you can use to start creating videos for the new year that can really take your business to a whole nother level. So we're going to have a nice, good discussion here. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So again, like I said, I get this question a lot throughout the year. What type of equipment am I using? What type of camera am I using? So on and so forth. But we're going to talk about that. And again, there's all kinds of different cameras and lights and softwares and editing programs and all different types of things that you can use to make better content. But, you know, I know a lot of it really starts with the camera, you know, and so that question I get a lot: what camera should I buy, or what camera should I get to start making the best type of content? And you know what? The best camera that you can use is the camera that you already have. Just start making content. You know, a lot of times people want to invest a lot of money into a lot of different type of things, and they still never get started. You know what? You know, the best camera to start off with is your phone. These devices here, guys, man, this phone here has, this is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 Plus. Man, that's a lot. Well, this phone, the camera inside this phone is better than the camera that I started using when I first started making videos years ago. It shoots in HD, shoots in 4K, slow motion, all that stuff. Even though I don't need a lot of that stuff to make marketing videos, but it just has a lot of capabilities. So, and a lot of times, most of us will have some kind of Android device or an iPhone. iPhone has all kind of features, and they all have an HD camera, you know, tied to them as well. Yeah, I have two phones here, and they both shoot high quality content that I can use for marketing videos, use for branding, use for a lot of different things. And I don't need to go out and buy anything right now. Especially if you're brand new, you've never made any videos before. How about getting into the habit of making content first, then you can upgrade and start experimenting with different types of cameras so you can shoot different types of situations, if that makes sense. But first, just start where you're at. That's the main thing. And you'll see some progression. And I know a lot of people that make a really good income just shooting all their marketing videos with their cell phone or with their tablet or iPad or with their webcam or on their computer. And most phones, brand new nowadays, will come standard with an HD camera tied to it. Even most computers or laptops usually will come standard with a high definition camera, and even tablets and iPads, of course, will have a high definition camera that you can use to start making video. And when you start making video, guys, just use the features and the settings, everything that's already in your phone. You know, try not to overcomplicate the process of you just starting to make content. You know, I think we always want to get the best software. We want to get the best this, the best that. Hey, you got the best right here. Just use it, right? And when you start making videos, don't make them like this. You know, I see a lot of people starting to make their marketing videos and their branding videos, and in their videos they're holding the phone like this. So then the video comes up, you know, you got, you know, here's the video right here, and it's got the black background on the sides, on the left and the right. It just screams amateur. Okay, so I'm going to help you here today. So what you want to do when you're shooting video, don't do it like this. So if you're shooting yourself and you're shooting a video, especially if you're using it for marketing purposes, don't shoot it like this if you're shooting video, okay? What you want to do, you want to turn it horizontal. like that, okay? So don't, make sure it's not vertical, make sure it's horizontal, okay? Make sense? And then shoot like that. So if you need to do a selfie or whatever you need to do, you know, you can hold it out and you can get the wide screen, because you want your video to fill up the entire screen. If you shoot it like this, it's only going to fill up this portion of the screen, and the other sides here on the side are going to be black, and you don't want to do that, okay? So make sure, because I still see that today in 2019, I still see it. Make sure if you're shooting your marketing videos, turn your phone horizontal so you can fill up the entire screen. When you put it on Facebook, you put it on YouTube, you put it on whatever, it'll look nice. Remember, you got a really good camera here. Utilize it, because it can create some really good videos for your marketing. And I know marketing, and when it comes to marketing, comes to branding, nothing can speed up your success faster than videos. So especially if you're on a and a lot of us are on a budget when we first start marketing, you know, videos can help speed that whole process up, because your videos never go to sleep, they never get hungry, and they always deliver the exact same message for everybody that lands on the video, right? So make sure you do that. So that was really the main thing I wanted to talk about in this video, guys, is just start where you're at. Just use your phones, okay? You don't have to go out and get some $1,000 camera. You can, hey, when you start making money and you start, you know, scaling your business up, you want to get, you know, a high-end camera, a high-end DSLR camera, a high-end mirrorless camera, all these different things. I'm not going to get too much, I'm not going to talk too much shop here, too much jargon, but when you start making a lot of videos, your mind will start thinking of, how can I make this better? You know, how can I get better lighting? And just to kind of give you a tip on lighting, guys, of course, I've got a light right here, but the best light is the light that comes out of your window right here. Okay, so when you're shooting your videos, just stand by the window. It's the best light. Now, if your home has really good lighting or whatever as well, that's great. But if you're concerned about the lighting, you know, you can always get really good light by the window. So if you don't have any lights, softbox lighting or anything for video, you know, shooting video and shooting pictures, hey, just stand by the window. You can get some really good shots. Hey, there's nothing better than sunlight. Nothing better than it, okay? And if you got it coming through your window and you're shooting your video, make sure it's facing you. The light is shining on your face so it can illuminate the whole picture. And so when you shoot your video and you upload it, it looks really, really nice. So again, guys, moral of the story, start where you're at. Just start where you're at and scale up. Just take action. Don't worry about needing this and needing that. Just take action. Now, if you don't have a smartphone, if you don't have a tablet, if you don't have a webcam, you don't have any of that stuff, you're definitely going to need to do that. So go down to your local, you know, wireless dealer, store, whatever, Best Buy, Walmart, or wherever. You can buy a cell phone anywhere nowadays. And just make sure, look on the box, ask the salesperson, hey, does it shoot really good video? Tell them, I'm going to be shooting a lot of video with my phone, with my tablet, with my computer, whatever. Just let them know what you're going to be able to do, what you're going to be doing, and that way they can point you in the right direction. So, because we all need a phone anyway, so if you're going to get a phone, get a good one with a really good camera, because it'll definitely make a big difference for you. So that's all I got for today on this video, guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment below. So if you got some questions about different types of equipment or whatever, go ahead and comment below. And also, very important, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got a lot of great stuff I'm going to be adding to this YouTube channel to really help you to make better videos, to get more leads, get more sales, have more success in your business on autopilot while you're in the bed, sleep. You just wake up, you got leads and sales, all because you're making quality video content. So with that said, guys, gotta run. Got some videos to edit, got some videos to make, got some things to do, got some people to help. So thanks for watching this video. Again, give it a like, comment below, and also make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can make sure that you can be notified when I upload more videos. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.